Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Bollinger County, Missouri, southeastern Carter County, Missouri, north-central Ripley County, Missouri, southern Wayne County, Missouri, northwestern Butler County, Missouri, until 1 a.m. At 12:21 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Greenville to near Budapest, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lake Wapapalo State Park, Elsinore, Williamsville, Hendrickson, Wapapalo, Shook, Brush Arbor, Cranon, Zalma, and Ron Bauer. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Bollinger, Butler, Carter, Ripley, and Wayne. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Cape area. West